How do you apply for an ignition interlock device in Georgia? If you have already decided that that is what you want to do and determined that you are eligible, well, then your first step is surprisingly not going to the Department of Driver Services. Rather, your first step is getting the ignition interlock device installed. There are a number of private vendors who are approved by the state of Georgia that you can go to. You can find a list of those vendors at the Department of Driver Services website, www.dds.ga.gov. So now that you've made the decision and you've gone and gotten the ignition interlock device installed in your car, now you're ready to go to the Department of Driver Services. Once there, they will have you sign a waiver, which indicates that you are not looking to challenge the suspension, but rather you're opting to take the ignition interlock device permit. Don't be surprised, that happens in every case. The second thing you want to keep in mind is don't wait till the last minute, because the Department of Driver Services has hours that may not seem predictable. In particular, they are not open on Mondays. So if you wait until the very last few days thinking Monday is going to be the 30th day and you're okay, then you will be sorely disappointed. And it can be very difficult to be heard when you miss that deadline. So you want to make sure that you give yourself plenty of breathing room to both get the interlock device installed in your car and also submit your application in person at a local Department of Driver Services branch.